lot of you.
They're hungry. Think you did a bad thing. No fighting, people. Don't poop on me. They're not going to come up to you.
Get it, get it, get it!
He's chasing another one off.
Well, I get trouble for feeding this to goats.
Don't want to give them too many. Don't fight, fellas. No fighting.
No fighting. I know, that'd make me mad too. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, it's okay.
So you turn your back, they take them off the table. Sat down there, wasn't a bird in sight. Look, look, look. As soon as you turn your back. Some bread, save us some crackers for later. Take it out of your hand. Stand real still, he'll come up to you. Real slow, move your hand toward the table. Look behind you. behind you. He was
I
there.
felt that.
He was there till you moved. Right behind you. Look, they're all coming up to you.
Hurry, come on. Get it.
There's two of them right behind you.
I need a longer piece. That's a sharp beak.
Yeah, they're pretty sharp.
Hey, don't be fighting.
I'm gonna turn it off. Pretty, huh?